Adirondacks for me here. Well, what we got going on right now is we had like 3 or 4 days of no rain and sunny. So that roof up there has dried out tremendously. When it rains, it becomes a huge sponge. So right now it's probably dry as it's been for a long time. So I'm going to get a tarp over it to keep it dry because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And the drier I can keep it for as long as I can keep it dry, the better. And as soon as I see a long stretch of nice weather coming up, start ripping and tearing off the old roof. So I'll just leave you on and we'll go from here. The closer I am to the top, the more likely I'm not going to go through. Most of the rod is down low at the eaves. So I want to avoid that at all costs, or I can go shooting down through that roof. This is an old pool cover my brother loaned me that I guess he's not using anymore. He used it when he put a tin roof down on the old homestead. I'm going to go as far as I can and cover as much as I can. Hopefully you can hear me down there. Okay, I've got to shut you off for a little while, get a drink, and figure out how I'm going to anchor all that for the upcoming rainstorm. Okay, I got the blue plastic tarp on. I got it weighted down with 20-pound chunks of cherry logs. I did put an extra one over the top of the chimney. Tried to keep the water going onto the blue tarp and then off the roof, but that area is so rotted out that it's not going to hurt it anymore. So I guess we're good for tomorrow's rainstorm. We'll see how she holds up. But I'm not sure if I told you I got a leak in another leak in the backhoe at a fitting. I need a 1-inch open end. I've got everything but. I've got 7/8, 11/16, 1 1/16, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. But I can't find my 1-inch open end wrench to tighten up that coupler. Hopefully just tightening it up will get rid of the leak. I hope, because it's a hard line on there versus a rubber hydraulic hose. So that's going to be it for here. Got to go find something else to do. So talk to you guys later. Adirondacks for me here again. Oh, this is kind of a bird's eye view up in the bucket of my backhoe down below. What I've done is I'm moving a guy wire support onto this pole from another pole over behind me where the wire goes. That we're discontinuing that line going over to old buildings over there, and we're stopping here. So I want to put a guy wire here. You can see there's some loop in the main power line coming up here. Got the cover over the building workshop to keep it dry. Peel it back and work on it when I can when it's not raining. Birds are singing. Hope they're killing the bugs. Bugs are letting up a little bit. Black flies, mosquitoes are starting, and the deer flies are starting up now. Anyway, I'm using a bit and brace to drill a hole through here to install this guide wire support assembly up here on the pole. I dug up the old underground support that holds the guide wire in place last night with the backhoe, and got that over here ready to go. Alright, so things are progressing along, slow but sure. I'm in no hurry. I'm retired. I got the whole summer. Alright, we'll catch up to you later on. Okay, I'm back. Currently I am digging the hole for the guy wire for this pole that I've got the cable all mounted to, the down cable. And that's the assembly there with a adjustable. And there's the part that goes in the ground. So I just got to get that hole dug a little bit deeper over in there to get that assembly down in there and get some rocks on it. Get it buried. Get it as tight as I can with the rocks. Okay, so I'm just going to set this up and you can watch me dig. And we'll edit parts that are boring or speed them up. Here we go. Alright, gotta check it again. See if I can get in there. I think I'm there. Alright, now I gotta just stabilize it down there with rocks. Put some rocks in there. Take you over there and show you down the hole. So there it is down there. I just got to build up rocks around that base unit. But my cables relatively tight. I think it will work fine. Alright, let me get some more rocks on that thing. I'll keep you going here so you can watch. So when I dug this thing up, that's what I found. Tons and tons of rocks. Finally, I just hooked the bucket, back bucket of a backhoe on there, and just, after I got a bunch of rocks off it, so I didn't destroy it, and then just lifted it out of the other hole. You know, I got a whole bunch of rocks from the other hole I should probably go get and throw in here. Oh, let me shut this off and go get those other rocks. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I went over and got a bunch of rocks that I'm going to throw in here. There's more over there. I'll probably go get those too. As you can see, I'm filling up the hole. My cable's relatively tight, and I can tighten it up quite a bit because I left it so I could do that with the... I used to call them carbuncles. I don't know if people call them that or not. But anyways, here we go. And I gotta quit saying anyways. Try to work on that. This was what they did, what was it, 45 years ago when they put these in, and I'm moving it now. It had to be 45 years ago. I was probably around 10 and I'm 62 now. So, somewhere in there. I know it was back in the 60s. Oh. Alright, go back and get another load. Okay, got the last load of rocks. I'll throw those in and then start backfilling it. This all used to be part of a camping area back in the 60s. So there was, we had like, I don't know, 10, 15 sites with water hookup, electric, and picnic table, fireplace. And some of the bricks would get broke, so I can see they used the broken bricks for this application back in the day. I just dug them up, so I'm just reusing them again. Time to backfill. Oh. I guess I can leave you up close and personal, as long as I don't hit the camera with the backhoe. Here we go. Rearrange it here a little bit. Oh boy. I've got one more block, cement block over there that I buried. I gotta see if I can rescue it. Somewhere in here. There it is. Put him in the hole. Whew. I see another one. He's gonna do anything for this at this point, other than just getting rid of them. Oh man, there's another one. Okay, I got the hole filled back in, and I was just tightening up the clamp assembly here, making it nice and tight, and pulling this pole tight. So now the wire down at the going to the next pole, it's not drooping as bad as it was. So this is ready to have the other line go in the other direction, discontinued and disconnected. So, but that's it for now. I'll check in with you at a later date. There'll be a lot more probably on this video, because I don't have very many minutes recorded up to this point. Talk to you soon.